Hi everyone. Today we'll explore the concepts of delegate in .NET. So what is a delegate? A delegate is a type that defines a specific method signature. It can represent either an instance or a static method. A method can be assigned, invoked, or passed as a parameter to another method. Let's understand how to define a delegate. To define a delegate, we use delegate keyword followed by a return type, name of the delegate, and the parameters. Delegates are immutable by default. Let's see if you try to extend a delegate class, what happens, right? Here I am trying to extend test delegate class with a delegate. We see that straight away compiler throws an error. Test delegate cannot derive from special class delegate. So delegate and multicast delegate both are special classes in .NET, and .NET does not allow user to extend these classes. Some of the other special classes are like value type and array. By default, all the value types like integer internally extends the value type, right? Just for the illustration purpose, so I added three similar methods: add1, and add2. All three are matches the delegate signature what I have defined earlier actually, which is add delegate. So here I am instantiating my delegate what I created earlier with the add method, and I'm adding add1 and add2 to the subscribers list actually. Let's see if I execute this code what happens, right? So here I'm trying to invoke all the subscribers by calling invoke method and capturing a return value and printing that return value. Let me run this. So you notice that one interesting thing happens when I invoke this method. So all the subscribers are called in the order. So add method is called, add1 method is called next, and the add2 method. And the return value of the invoke will be the return value of the last subscriber. In this case, it is add2 method, which is returning 100. The same thing gets printed here actually, right? So what happens if one of the subscriber throws an exception, right? So I'm throwing an exception from a add1 method. Let me run this again. Notice that add method get called. Next in the list is add1 method, and the add1 method throws an exception. When any one of the subscribers in the list throws an exception, execution of the remaining subscribers are cancelled actually. In this case, we can see that add2 is not executed, right? So assume that you have a use case to execute any one of the subscribers in the list actually. So how can we do that? So for that, delegate exposes an instance method called getInvocationList. This method returns list of subscribers actually. So in this case, we have 3 subscribers. So my delegates dot length should be 3, and I am trying to invoke the the last one in the list, which is add to method. So I should see this message get printed actually. Let me run this. So you can see the number of subscribers are 3, and when I invoke the last one, which is nothing but add to method actually. Thank you.